Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll be answering a question: how to get started with Google AI Studio. So first thing that you need to do to start your Google AI Studio journey, just go and log into the Google AI Studio app or browser by your Google account. Then once you're done that, just go to chat, or you can search through the UI and see what's really interesting you. Once you selected what are you interested in, you can even chat. I would recommend starting by chatting. So if you're bad at coding, all you can do just teach me about coding. Then click run, and it should think a bit, and then it should give you a breakdown. You can even see the explanation and the thinking process, so I'll just wait. And as you see, that's how you start your journey. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.